Okay, so we're now on Nakasong, the mainland. We just have to go get some money out because there's no ATMs out on Don Det or Don Con. Alright, so we've got our money out and we went for a quick walk through the markets. We were looking for some new shoes, but they didn't have a lot of variety in there, so we're just going to go get a sugarcane drink and then head back on the boat. Alright, so sometimes people have a little bit of trouble finding the dock to get from Nakasong to Don Det, so I'll just give you a quick tour now. Here you have the main road of Nakasong. That's usually where your bus will drive you. Over there you have Don Det, but to get to the proper wharf you have to actually go down this street here. Finally millionaires again. We've just got back from the ATM and now we're gonna spend all our money. That's a show. Shouldn't be too expensive.
Yeah.
Just grab two. Nvidia still pushing the extra white skin moisturizer. This is the most dangerous aisle. We have Oreos for 10,000 kid. So this is the world's cheapest vodka. There's 40% alcohol and 8,000 kid.
From the room next door. So I'm gonna go put another one back inside because I feel bad.
Aside from the lock on the door, we also have a secret mesh bag that we use to keep our things safe. And there's a pretty serious padlock here too. Just as a side note, we also tie a metal rod around a bed frame or something secured to the room just so they can't walk out with the mesh. Alright, so I'm going to click my fingers and these bags will magically be unlocked. Ready? And
then you're gonna unlock them and then
me, that's your job, mate.
Oh.
and there you have it. All our laptops and camera gear are unlocked and ready for Netflix.
Yay.
Alright, it's time for our afternoon walk where we get to watch the sunset. So when we first started our journey, we were trying to tick everything off. Every place we went to, we'd look at the top 10 things to do and try and do as many things as possible in a single day. And it turned out to be more exhausting than fun. This seems to be what most people do because they only have 2 weeks worth of holidays every year. However, since we were planning to travel for more than a year, there's just no way that we could keep up with that sort of intensity. Since we've been on lockdown, we've started to realize the value of traveling off the beaten track and just taking our time with things. Rather than visiting all the major tourist destinations, we've been able to stay in rural locations and really experience the local culture. Because we didn't have a set schedule, we were able to discover things on our own. And rather than using Google to find things, we made friends with the locals who recommended some hidden gems that we wouldn't have found otherwise. Initially, we'd planned to spend only 5 days in Laos, and it's now been over 5 months. And during that time, we've met some really amazing people and shared some great experiences together. So the plan from here on out, we're going to spend 2 more days on Don Det, and then we're going to catch a bus over to Paxi and hopefully do some zip lining.